The lolly people are dying to try.
Does the thought of going to a dentist give you jitters? We are here to change that. Hi, I am Dr. Arpita Anand, co-founder of Realtooth, a multi-speciality chain of dental clinics in Lucknow offering painless dental treatments. We are located at 3 branches: Mahanagar, Gomti Nagar, and Gokhale Marg, Hazratganj. Realtooth is a revolutionary new concept that brings in complete gamut of dental treatments under one roof. Our chain of clinics harness the power of latest in dental sciences and technology, providing our patients with painless, comfortable, and convenient dental treatments. We have team of dental experts which provide treatments like single visit root canals, complete dentures, orthodontic treatments, painless extractions, implants, all-on-4 implants, preventive treatments, smile designing, cosmetic fillings, and all treatments starting from 1 year of age to 90 years of age patients. State-of-art infrastructure at Realtooth follows a strict sterilization protocol that helps us keep contamination and infections away. Our specialized dentists share their expertise globally, and thus all our treatments are performed under international protocols. In today's world, everybody is looking for quality dental treatments which can save time and money. So at Realtooth, our dental experts can take care of all your dental problems, whether it's a simple toothache or a complete smile makeover. So if you are looking for personalized care, specialized dentists in a fearless environment where all your dental needs can be fulfilled, you can visit us at Realtooth. We are available from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on all 7 days.